And we're back to HTML Canvas. Let me show you that you can also draw text with it, and it's not that complex. All that we need is our 2D object yet again, CTX, and we'll use a fill text method. Just type in the text, for example, hello world, the typical coding exercise text. It's already there, but it needs an adjusted position. First value is X, second value is Y. And the Y value makes it invisible. Let me make it 10, and now we can see it. If you make it 5, you can see it gets cut off. So 0, 0 makes the text start at the bottom left of the H for hello. First value is X value. Let me set it to 1. If you want to adjust the style of the text, first we can adjust the font. We need CTX font, and here we can also adjust the size of it. Let me make it 20 pixels Arial. It gets cut off again, so let me increase the Y value, 25, 20. Let us change the style a little bit further by adjusting the stroke. For now we have a fill text, or we can also make it a stroke text. At this size it's barely visible, so let me make it 50. I need to adjust the Y position. And I put it a little bit in center in X, and now you can see the stroke. I'll go back to fill stroke. The stroke is gone and we have a fill. Let us adjust the color of it. It's a stroke text, so we'll use the stroke style to adjust it. I'll make it red. Let's just say you want to have a stroke and a fill. I'll set up the fill first. And now the stroke. I'll make the stroke, let me make it blue for example. And it's important that it's in the same position as the fill text, so I've generated 2 text outputs that are in the same position, but you can't directly adjust the stroke style right here. So if you add 5 or 5 pixels, it doesn't know what to do with it. You need the line width yet again, if you want to make it thicker. Let me try 5, but that's already way too thick. For my font size, but at 2 and 3, you can see the stroke on top of the red fill. So this is how you could stroke a filled text if you want to have that. Finally, we can also put it in center and use relative values. So let me use text align. I'll make it center. Obviously center with an N. When you use that, it's a good idea to set your position up to relative values. So you always use your canvas width and the canvas height. In my case, I want to have it in center, so I divide it by 2. This is always the format that you need. In my case, I have renamed canvas to C, so I have to update this. It's c.width divided by 2, c.height divided by 2. And then I want to put the very exact position right here for our fill text, and let me align that to center as well. And now our text is always in center, no matter the width and height of our canvas. So let me adjust it right here to 300 times 400. Canvas is smaller, the text still in center. So you don't have to use absolute, you can also use relative values and align it to center. And these are the basics of creating text in HTML Canvas. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.